Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit the location on a Facebook post on Android. If you've made a mistake or want to update the location of a post, you can easily edit it using these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the post. The first step in editing the location of a Facebook post on Android is to go to the post that you want to edit. You can do this by navigating to your Facebook profile, scrolling through your posts, and selecting the post you want to edit. Step 2. Tap and select Edit Post. Once you're on the post, tap and select Edit Post to make changes to the post. This option can be found in the menu of options that appears when you tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the post. Step 3. Tap at the bottom, then check in. After selecting Edit Post, tap at the bottom of the post screen, then select Check In to access the location settings. This will bring up a list of nearby places and the option to search for a specific location. Step 4. Search for and select a new location. Once you're in the location settings, search for and select a new location to update the post. You can search for a specific location by typing in the name of the place or browse through the list of nearby places. Once you've found the location you want to use, select it. Step 5. Tap Save. After selecting a new location, tap Save to update the post with the new location. Make sure to double-check the post to ensure that the location has been updated correctly. And that's it. Editing the location of a Facebook post on Android is quick and easy. By following these simple steps, you can easily update the location of your post. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.